Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is from English grammar for class 9, 10, 10. The topic is conditionals. Conditionals. Conditional tenses are used to speculate about what could happen, what might have happened, and what we wish would happen. In English, most sentences using the conditionals contain the word if. There are four different ways of constructing conditional sentences in English. In all cases, these sentences are made up of an if clause and a main clause. The zero conditional. The zero conditional is used for when the time being referred to is now or always and the situation is real and possible. The zero conditional is often used to refer to general truth. The tense in both parts of the sentence is the simple present. Example: if clause we use if plus simple present, and main clause we also use the simple present. If this thing happens, that thing happens. If you heat ice, it melts. If it rains, the grass gets wet. If he runs fast, he gets success. Type 1 conditional. The type 1 conditional is used to refer to the present or future where the situation is real. The type 1 conditional refers to possible condition and its probable result. In if clause we use if plus simple present tense, and in main clause we use will, shall, can, may plus plain infinitive. Example: if this thing happens, that thing will happen. Second, if you don't hurry, you can miss the train. Third, if it rains today, we shall postpone our picnic. Last, if you study hard, you will succeed. Type 2 conditional. The type 2 conditional is used to refer to a time that is now or any time and a situation that is unreal. These sentences are not based on fact. The type 2 conditionals are used when we talk about something which we don't expect to happen. In if clause we use if plus simple past, and in main clause we use would, should, could, might and plain infinitive. First example: if we started now, we could be in time. Second, if you went to bed earlier, you would not be so tired. Third, if I spoke Italian, I might work in Italy. Last, if it rained, you would get wet. Type 3 conditional. The type 3 conditional is used to refer to a time that is in the past and a situation that is contrary to reality. The facts they are based on are the opposite of what is expressed. Conditionals of this type say something didn't happen because a certain condition was not fulfilled. In if clause we use if plus past perfect tense, and in main clause we use would, should, could, might plus perfect infinitive. Examples: if I had seen him, I could have saved him from drowning. Second, if you had studied harder, you would have passed the exam. Third, if it had rained, you would have gotten wet. Last, if you had come to me, I would not have got into trouble. Hope so you have understood the conditionals. Thank you.